How to set customized name for any particular connection in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can rename any particular connection as for your own reference. So in order to do this, the first thing that you got to do is simply launch your Roblox application and then onto the home screen, click onto this connections option. Now, once you will do this, it will show you all of the connections that you currently have. So for example, I have this connection right here and I will show you how I can rename them. So to do this, simply right click over to this particular connection and it will open their profile. And then you can click onto these three dots and from here you can click onto this customized name. Now, once you click onto this customized name, you can simply type in the customization name that you choose for them. So let me type in the customization name and then click onto the save button. Now, once I click onto the save button, just wait for it to reload and now you can see that I am seeing their customized name that I have set for them. So that's how easily you can set a customized name for any particular connection in your Roblox account. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.